Students, how are you all? Class 4 today. Take out your English workbook and look at page 7. Students, so we have already completed with the lazy little girl, and today we are going to read the related passage with it, which is the hidden treasure. Today we will going to read this. So listen to me very carefully. So let's start it. An old father who was seriously ill called his three ideal sons to impart to them an important secret. So, in the first line, they are saying here an old father who has three sons. The three sons were idle, who were lazy, and who didn't like to work at all. So he called his all three sons, and he said that he wanted to communicate him, impart me, communicate them, and wanted to tell him about he wanted to tell him about an important treasure which he has hidden somewhere in the field. So let's read further. My sons, said he. The old man said, my sons, a great treasure is hidden by me in the farms. I am about to leave you. He stopped. And when he called his three sons, and he told his sons that am going to leave you, that when I will die, I am going to leave you a huge amount of treasure, a great amount of treasure, which is for you, which is in the farm, and I am going to leave you. And after that, he stopped. Where it is hidden, exclaimed the three sons in one breath. After when he said, I am going to leave you a great treasure, then the sons become very curious. The three of them become very curious where it is, when we will going to get the hidden treasure, and where it is located, and all that type of questions he used to ask his father in one breath. In one breath, he used to ask so many questions in one breath to his father, because they were very curious to know about the hidden treasure. Look at the third line. I am about to tell you, said the old man. And after then, when they were asking questions, when they were asking so many questions, then the old man said, I am about to tell you, I am going to tell you, said the old man. You will have to dig for it. And then he said, you have to dig for it. The sons thought that the treasure was hidden somewhere in the mud. Then we have to dig for it. Then we have to dig it, and then we will get it. Are you getting me? But his breath failed him but the moment he was trying to tell his children about the location, that where he has kept the treasure, where he kept the treasure, his breath failed and he died. And he died before he revealed the secret. When he was dying, when he was telling his sons, at that moment, he before it he failed. He died, and so he couldn't reveal the secret to his sons. As his sons were very curious, and wanted to know where's the hidden treasure. So there was a confusion between his sons, because they were disappointed as well, because the father was going to just going to tell all of them, the farmer was going to tell his sons about the treasure, but the moment he was telling, he died. So look at the last paragraph. Immediately the three sons sent to work with spades in the neglected fields. Then the three sons decided that we should go to field, set to work to So the sons decided that they should start work now in the field. So they hold spades in their hand. Spades is basically a tool, a sharp edged tool which is used for digging. On the field. So they hold the spades in their hand and they went to the field. And here is written neglected field. Neglected field is written because the field which they had been neglected, which they had been ignoring for so many years, now they have gone to that field to work. So that's why they have written neglected field. They dug hard but found no treasure. They said that they have been digging hard, so hard, but still they haven't found any treasure there in the field. They didn't find any sort of treasure. So they learned to work. So here's a very important line is written, very important message. They have been digging for so many times, and they were digging so hard, and they were working so hard, with so much effort, but they didn't find any treasure, any sort of treasure. But they learned how to work on the field, which was a very important thing. They didn't find anything, but they learned how to work on the field. Next year, the field was sown, and sons gathered a marvelous harvest. Whereas a sown is a process of planting where seeds has been planted in the soil, so it is called sown. So when seeds were sown in the field, the next year they get the marvelous harvest. So next year they gathered a marvelous harvest. So then they realize and they discover that what the treasure hidden in the field was, and which their wise old father has indicated to them. And then they realized this was the basic treasure which his father wanted to tell him. And they soon realized and they discovered that this was the real treasure which their father wanted to their father wanted to give to them. And this is all the story. I hope the story is clear to you, and tomorrow we will continue with it, exercise the related questions with it. Are you getting me? I hope the above passage is clear to you. Thank you, students.